Labeling a map is very easy. What we're talking about here is are the labels that are automatically shown on a map. For instance, here we can see it's the postcode area map, and we have the postcode letters inside the postcode polygons. So CA, NE, DL, DH, they're all postcode areas, sorry. As we zoom in, nothing really happens. You can still see the labels. Now we might want to show on this map settlement labels. So we click the labels button, up pops this menu, tick the toggle that says show, and that'll show settlements, which the number and density of those settlements will change as you zoom in and zoom out on the map. So if you zoomed right out, obviously you can't really read the settlement name, so none will appear. What you can do is you can change when the labels become visible from what level of zoom. So we can do that like so. It takes some fiddling about just to get used to it. Now we might want to see no landmarks, no villages, no towns, just the cities. And we can change the color of the cities like so. And we can also change the size of the city labels like so. Now, what sometimes happens is we have the map populated so densely with town labels that we can no longer see the postcode area labels. For instance, WN's just poking through there. So what we can do is, if we imagine that these are on different layers, we can bring the area labels layer forward. And I'll tell you what, we'll just change the color of that now so you can see obviously where they are. Change the font size a bit, make them bigger. There we go. So when we bring these forward, it's as if we're putting them on top of the settlement labels. And as you can see now, the area labels have priority and the settlement labels are behind, so they have less priority and don't show up, because at all times it tries to avoid overlapping labels, because that just makes a map look messy. Obviously it's unavoidable sometimes, but that's the way it goes. So we can, in the labels box, we can also add a map title. This is my map. That'll create the map title up here. We can change things about this, such as the color of the title, like so. We can add a subtitle, another sample map that appears underneath it. We can change the font size of these. We can change the size of the box where the title's in. We can move it around by dragging it. We can give the background a frame color, set its transparency right down or right up. For instance, we might want to make the label text white, make it bigger. You know, it doesn't look pretty good. Doesn't look, well, it doesn't look very good, but it gives you the effect. What else? We can show or hide entire groups of labels quite easily with these toggles, like so. And the legend title, which is, it only appears once we've created a map. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly add a territory test, and that has been added here. We'll zoom that in a bit. Now we've got legend there. If we go back to the titles, legend title, this is the legend. There we go. You can see that has appeared in the top of the legend box there. So that's a brief overview of the labels panel.